So we are going to plant this basil. It's just the kind that you actually buy at the store. Like this or any other spice that come in a little pot that they're meant to just eat. In Hawaii we have some local nurseries that supply them to the grocery store, and I planted them before, and so we're gonna go ahead and plant them right here. Tadeo just filled our bucket with dirt. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it out of the little starter pot that it comes in. And all the roots are all tangled up. We're just gonna pinch it apart. We wanna try and keep the dirt intact around these here as much as possible. And see, it just breaks apart nicely. And then just gently untangle them, which is a little bit difficult. Set those there, and again, I'm just breaking them apart, trying to keep the dirt that they're in as much intact as possible. And then I'm gonna dig a little hole and stick them in. These ones. You gonna do the next ones, Tadeo?
Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is what my mom said. Break it apart gently and try and keep as much dirt intact as I can. Just like my mom said. And gently take it over. And also, these kind of died because
They didn't die, they're just wilty.
yeah. I can't get it deep enough.
I'm gonna space them a little better. Space them out a little bit. And fill in the rest of the dirt. And I like mine to kind of be high around the plants to hold them up, especially when you're transplanting herbs. They get a little bit soft. Okay, and now I'm just going to lift them up a little bit and make sure there's lots of dirt around them to support them. They're really wilty, these ones.
But it's okay, because we're gonna make it work. They will live. Mom, look. There's a little grass growing. Oh my God.
All right, now let's water it. And we'll come out in the morning and see what it looks like. So we're gonna put this copper tape, it's actually for guitars, around the plant, because we have found that this is what works best for slugs who really like basil. So Tadeo is first wrapping it around to measure. And I put the link below for the copper tape that I love. that I use for almost all my plants that will be eaten by slugs. And then he just rips it off where we want it to go.
And when we're doing this, we need to be careful because the copper is metal and it's really thin. So you might cut yourself.
As we learned in chapter 2. And it's tape, and it actually sticks pretty well. And we put it close to the bottom because we want to stop the slugs as soon as possible. This is when it gets crinkly because it's a little bit sharp.
As we have in the first plant. I can see it. And I kind of messed it up because of this grass. I'm just gonna try. I'm way better at me at this.
We're just gonna try and we hold the camera.
Yeah. As you see, I'm in.
So that should work though. We'll go ahead and cut a little piece.
I'm so good at measuring. Perfect.
Patcheroni. And then we water it.
So slugs can get on it.
I want to make sure it's nice and wet so it will survive, especially since we put it under so much stress. So day 2. A little less droopy. So I just water them heavily every day, keep them moist, make sure they're moisturized. This is day 3. Starting to grow right here, we can see. So they look droopy, but every day they're a little less droopy and getting stronger. After about 5 days, they're golden and good to go. Thank you for watching. Happy gardening. I put links to everything I use down below. The bags, plants you can buy on Amazon, everything. Have a great day.